Apply's new Jobber integration allows your business to connect to field service management softwares that you currently use. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Jobber, manage your materials from Jobber into Apply and Apply into Jobber, update invoices, and a couple of other things as well along the way. Let's take a look. So we're going to start off here on Apply dashboard and head on over to Jobber and take a look at their marketplace. And Apply will be listed as an application not connected. And when we connect, it's a very simple process. You're going to authorize Apply permissions to connect. We'll allow access here. And we've connected to Jobber. Now, if you wait a few minutes, this will sync and start pulling in all of your warehouses, your jobs, your invoices, and your employees. You can see here that our catalog is now full of the items that we used in Jobber, and we've even put them inside of a default warehouse called Test Jobber. All right, let's go ahead and take a look inside of Jobber here. We're going to head over to our settings and our products and services. So here I'm going to show you how we've connected the products and services that you had listed into Jobber and how that's translated into items within Apply and inside of that catalog. So we're going to go back into Apply. And inside of our catalog, we're going to take an item here that was inside of Jobber. So we identified this 3-inch PVC, and you see that it's successfully synced. Now we're going to edit the cost of the item within Apply, refresh Jobber, and see that that cost has automatically been updated from what we have put inside Apply. Now we're going to do reverse. We're going to do Jobber to Apply, refresh, and we can see that the cost of the business went down to $39. Now we're going to head on over to our jobs and take a look at how we can sync items from your job into your invoice. So you can see we have a number of items here on this particular job, and we're going to search for this job. And you can we've already synced those items from Jobber into Apply. And let's go ahead and make an edit to one of these items here. We're going to add the quantity of Test QA pipe to 20. Hit save. We're going to edit this other item as well, from 1 to 17. And we're going to go back into Apply and resync this job. And you can see those have been updated. So if you're making updates to the invoices into job, it's also going to remove the quantity directly from inventory for wherever that job is assigned to. So if it's coming from a technician, it will remove the information, remove the quantity from that job, from that technician. All right, so we're going to come over here and edit a few more jobs. And we've updated this one job here. And when we go back over to Apply, we can see that this job has now been completed. So as your dispatching team is finishing jobs, we want to make sure that those jobs are removed from the queue of the technician and they will have fresh jobs for the next day. So here we're going to edit this test job. And we can see that those items are automatically on the job invoice. Let's do a few more edits on the quantity and unit pricing. Go back over to Apply. And you can see how quick this sync is. Within a refresh, you have it completed. And that's it. We hope that you've seen what the Jobber and Apply integration has to offer. And if there's any questions about this, feel free to let us know. If you have additional feature requests, we're always happy to learn how your business operates and put that on our roadmap.